Let's make custom cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. These, I believe, were made in the Eastern Bloc, or what was before Europe. Guy won a lot of shows with this on his bagger. Okay, we also had the matching. We've got the matching tailpiece. Goes in between the, you know, in between the two bags. Makes it into a Dodgem look. You know, the old sweat look. Cracking bit of kit. I mean, when you see the thickness of these are not ABS. These are proper. You can see how thick this is. You know, it really is well made. Okay, must be a strength, I imagine, but you just don't get bags made like this anymore. See the ridge in the top as well. Very thick stuff. I mean, incredible quality. This really is the bollocks. Okay, it's a one-off set we've got. See on the inside as well. Amazingly well made. Need a damn good clean up, but apart from that, they're good as